Florida nagkita sa Ralph event.
Gai. Umuthi ni muthenya munene muno wa Kenya. Habari zenu. Leo ni tarehe 26 mwezi wa 5 2010, na leo ni siku kubwa ambaye Mungu ameniwezesha leo niongee na nyinyi kwa roho safi na niwaambie mambo mbili ama mambo moja. Mungu awajalie. Mimi nataka leo niongee na nyinyi mambo mbili ama mambo tatu ambayo ni ya muhimu, and in particular I want to talk about two things which are very important. Na hii mambo ni I strongly feel I will talk for the family whom I feel they are kidnapping Kenya's dignity for decade or so years. Now I start. Na leo sitakuwa na mambo mingi sana, but I will go direct to the point. Na mambo ile muhimu sana ni the big 5 families whom I strongly believe they have kidnapped Kenya's dignity. Mungu anijalie. Na kama vile mumeona leo tumeanza na wimbo ya taifa, because that's our prayer, national prayers. How I wish some at slightest quarter of our money goes to translate the national anthem to 45 languages in Kenya. With this one, I am sure Kenya will be very, very good. Asante. Then here I come. The first family whom I strongly feel they have kidnapped Kenya is our president's family, President Uhuru Kenyatta and Margaret Kenyatta. Second, Deputy President William Ruto and the nation. Third, Raila Odinga and Ida, my favorite. Ida is my favorite woman. I strongly believe when other people are mocking when Baba was away in real fact, in real sense, when he was away in prison for several years, Mama Ida stood with him. And when Papa was away, he found bouncing babies because of Ida. For this reason, Madam Ida, I salute you. The next, whom I strongly believe have hijacked or kidnapped Kenya's dignity is family of the family of Francis Atwoli. I am worried because I get confused what to say about the mistress, but he is true African man. So I will just ask, Mama Kambo na Baba Kambo, ni nani aliye mbaya? I will stop at that for my address on Francis Atwoli family. Then the next family is that of Mr. Moi, the former president. May you rest in peace wherever you go, because you died and you remain dead forever. But your son Gideon has taken mantle. So I have nothing to say about Gideon, because I am sure he will try his best. He will try his best to rectify the mistake which were done by his father. So Mr. Gideon Moi, kufanya kosa si kosa, hata kurudia kosa si kosa, but the worst mistake is not rectifying the mistake. I am sure with this one, you will rectify all the mistake which was done by your papa. I wish you all the best. Then let me address how these people, I strongly feel they have kidnapped our country. One, Mr. Atwoli, you have made Kenyans to believe you will make us choose the best people and the best leaders. But I challenge you, you start from home. Charity starts at home. Murembe Nation. You remember the Murembe Nation was chosen by God to lead Kenya spiritually. But kuna kitu ilienda musigi. Kuna kitu ilienda mbaya. Because God gave you power to lead Kenya in the next level through spiritual. Elijah Mwangari. But what happened? All the Mulembe nation went to Jehovah Wanyoni. And they put all their trust in human being, fellow human being, by name Jehovah Wanyoni. That's why you find His Excellency Muigai Kenyatta, when he wanted to put Mudavadi, kulikuwa shinda, spiritual conflict. When I supported him in Othaya, and you remember Othaya Zone 1, he betrayed me. And you remember, even his deputy president, running mate, he didn't vote for him. That's strange. It is spiritual conflict. The other one is Wetangula. Wetangula, you know, for him to put his mantle or strength, he has to invoke Jina presidency, Jina Raila Odinga on the claim from all Kenyans. They remember what went on, story Dubai and what have you. This is spiritual warfare. Mwingine is Buru Waita. You all remember, he was very strong in parliament. But when he was almost rising up, he got confused. And he went back home. What happened? Can you imagine where Buru's fighter, he capitalized on his damage. Kifo ya bibi yake, he was doing campaign for fellow human being. Shame on you, Kalwale. This is not fair. That's why I'm advising Mr. Atwoli, please, charity begins at home. Make sure you advise these people. Malala, you are there. Please, Madam Wanga, you are there. Chikaneni mikono na mzee huyo wa wenu Atwoli, Malala, Wanga, chika mkono Kitui Mukiza, edeni kwa msito, muabie Mungu jambo. Then from there, Mr. Atwoli, you can tell us, you will select us a leader, and I will brief you. The second one is Mr. Raila Odinga and Ida. Kindly, you all know, the Bible says, mukifanya makosa itapitia kwa generation zenu. As I have recommended and I have commended your good job, Madam Ida Raila. Ulilea watoto when Baba was Leo away. Sahi, how do you feel? Fidro, he went to meet the Leo Baba without even Raila Odinga kumushow hata mkutano moja ya siasa. He read like Jaramogi Odinga did to him. Shame on you, Raila Odinga, because your son died when he was enjoying lavish money without leadership, without mantle. And munakataa na uongozi mpaka wakati mtakuwa wazee. And today, to make everyone to understand, I am referring this to, my audience is 50 to 80 years. Why 50 and over? Because when you are 70, the world, you get tired of the world. When you are 80, the world is tired of you. You can join Papa, the new Baba in heaven. That's why ninasema hii kwa sababu najua nyinyi ndiye munataka Kenya iwe mzuri na you will mold the generation you want. So, Mr. Raila, Baba, wa taifa, I respect you. But I am tempted to believe my friend Miguna when he says that you didn't went to school. The English you speak ni kwa sababu ulilelewa tao. I am tempted to believe. Why am I tempted to believe this? This is because you have a very big share in African Union. Na kama sisemi nimesoma sana mimi, lakini kwa Kiingereza yangu ama Kiswahili yangu, you are in charge of kutengeneza msingi ya Afrika. Infrastructure. That's what it means. Inaanzia wapi? You need to show Africa where rain started beating us. Nani custom, our custom. Tulichukua ya wageni tukawasha yetu. So I am tempted to believe ulienda Soviet Union kusomea mambo matatu: demoralization, kubomoa na kujenga, which it takes 5 years. Alafu ingine inaitwa crisis management. Ukileta shida, you manage the crisis. It is done in Soviet Union Russia when you are there. So on this one, ya kubomoa kujenga, shaking hands with every government, you are a good student. But time is running out for you. If you want to shake hands, now shake hands with the new generation. You be statesman. Utuonyeshe how to do good for the shining Kenya and the greater Africa. That's all what I can ask you, Mr. Raila Odinga. I am sure if you listen to me, Madam Ida, please kindly bebeleza mzee, mwambie ukweli. Because from the biblical perspective, akina mama muna play a big role. But if you don't tell him, hii ni mambo ya Mungu. And I am saying, Mr. Raila, if you listen to me, this is what your lawyer will tell you. Yeah, this is the lawyer. They will tell you about force majeure. The next family is William Ruto. William Ruto with Madam Rachel. William Ruto, you are second in command. Now everybody is against you. Me too, I am against you. Please kindly, my vice president, the vice president of Kenya. People are accusing you, and I am telling you, this, whatever I am saying, is godly. Kwa hivyo sitaki makasiriko. You don't use your bloggers to insult me. Kwa sababu kwa Mungu haitaki makasiriko. They have asked me to bring evidence that your office is corrupt. I will not do that. The right time when it will come. Because I am also preparing you. You can ask your former PA, who is now member of parliament. Watu wengi wamempenda sana. Colin na mwingine anaitwa Mayo. I came to your office with the big project which were to be funded by some investment. They all put me off. Why? Because they thought siku chota. Colin, he knows this. He knows this. Siku chota. I came again with a different agenda on NTDA, neglected tropical diseases in Africa. Nikaambiwa pia niwachote so that I sit with you. Then I come the third time. Now I thank one officer, he is former ambassador, and your secretary. Waliniambia they will make sure they take my third agenda to you, which is about Commonwealth voters' privilege rights, which was on your table. When you come, ulisema hatujajipanga. Sasa kujipanga yako na wakati tunapeana rushwa ukuona. Are you serious you will be lead Kenya to the next level? I am waiting to see. Then the final family is this of Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta and Margaret. Today, my president, you are on top. Margaret is our first lady. But I have two issues. Are you telling me, Madam Margaret, you have not seen where I have said you read for the nation about Abigail in my previous channel? If you are serious, please do us favor. How do you feel if you can go na ufiche mtoto kidogo South Africa ndio abadilishe tabia and then tomorrow yeye ndiye atakuwa kiongozi? We will take over. On this one, kindly, please make sure umefanya kitu. Final submission is to our members of parliament in both house. Nyinyi wote mumeona vile inaendelea. You always complain juu ya hawa watu munasema ni our leaders. Nyote mumeona kesho munaweza baduliwa. Now, do Kenya favor. Pass laws, effective laws on our money, on our cash, which is stashed in foreign countries, munasema West, munasema Europe, make laws. Use the 5 families I have said, because wamewagawanya nyote. Wamewagawanya na kila mtu akona MP fulani, akona namba fulani. Make sure they mobilize you to make good laws. For instance, na kama mtafanya hii, the whole world will be in peace and they will make Africa great. Pitisheni law, ile pesa yote iko nje ya nchi, which was acquired illegally and start in a broad bank. Wekeni sheria irudishwe Kenya, and all the responsible countries ambao wameiweka, you give their ambassadors 6-month period. Wawe wameleta hizo pesa wamerudisha Kenya. If not, mfuge hizo ofisi sawa. In case kama vile mumeona wamefanya Amos wako, nyinyi mnachukua pesa mnapeleka nje, wakati imewasaidia wao, then they buy you from going to follow the money. It's right time now you put that to end, and I'm expecting hii itakuwa jamhuri mzuri ya Wakenya. Kama rais atatangaza, he will sign all those laws into law, wakiletewa na wabunge. Ruto, you support the initiative kwa sababu uko na wabunge wako. Raila Odinga, support the initiative. Hata wengine, Kalonzo Musyoka, Musalia Mudavadi, all those who are represented in parliament, mobilizing your fellows to pass this critical law. Hakuna haja ya kusema pesa zetu zote iko nje, tunachukua loan na pesa yetu iko nje. Na law can be made for bringing in the established money. Guy, arathima Gikuyu, thada ya Ngai. Ndaua wona Gikuyu, tondu ni moe, nie ngamũririkania mũthenya ũmwe ndĩmwĩre Ngai nĩarageria Gĩkũyũ na nĩaugaga, na rĩu mũngĩrora mũtĩ ũyũ njugaga naguo thayũ, ũyũ nĩ wa Gĩkũyũ, tondũ nĩndigarĩtie na nĩho ndĩrauga athuri na atumia mĩaka 50 na mĩaka 60 mũmenye etwo mũtĩ ũyũ wa kuuga thayũ, na nĩmũrona ti mũrĩku, tondũ nĩndigarĩtie gũtemwo rĩa kerĩ, tondũ nĩndagĩtemirwo rĩa mbere na Ngai akĩndeithia ngĩhura mbiro ngĩgĩa mũtumia na ciana. Rĩu mũtĩ ũrĩa ndĩrenda heo nĩ Gĩkũyũ, Ngai andeithia mũthenya ũrĩa ngũcoka bũrũri, nĩ mũtĩ ũtarĩ mũgonyoku ta ũyũ, mũrũngarũ, tondũ ndĩroka Kenya kũhura mbeũ no ti kũhura mbiro. Ngai arathime Gĩkũyũ, thayũ, thada ya Ngai, thayũ. Ngai ũrathime Gĩkũyũ na wambararie bũrũri witũ wa Kenya. Amen.